Hey everybody, we're going to take a look at the multi-select box. We all know what this is. You put a box around something. If you highlight it all, everything gets picked. Sometimes though, ones will ask, well, what if I want to have it where I'm just selecting a couple of things and it'll select everything that I come across? How does that work? Well, we're going to show. On the border bar, all the way to the right, we're going to click this little caret. Selection group, we're going to come down to multi-select rule. And you'll notice this is telling us what's going to happen. So right now it's set to inside. So of course only things inside the box. But if we changed it to crossing, now it's only the items that cross that box will go. Or inside and crossing. So only the things that we have inside and crossing, and so on. There's another neat little option. Maybe we don't like boxes that well. I can come over just to the left and I can change to a lasso or a circle. So a circle, we're just choosing the center and going out from there. Inside crossing still works. Or if we change it to a lasso, we're kind of just drawing around the area that we want. Or we've got our good old-fashioned box, which I'll have to admit, it might be kind of boring, but that's my favorite one. Okay, hope that helps.